Hi, this is STM Rock from channel STM Rock. Basically, it's a very random channel. You can get everything about from sports cars to sports bikes to bicycles to how to peel an egg without breaking the shell. Right up to snowboarding, helicopter flying, kayaking, everything adventurous, as well as everything in the kitchen and everything at home. Do subscribe. It's channel STM Rock. STMROCK. It's a Porsche GT4, so light. Cup red, super light. It's a carbon door, regulation switches and whatnot. It's getting the sponsor delivery wrap.